We'll look at some scripts that we've already written and see how blocks make them much easier to understand and help us see some of the underlying patterns. Here I've written 3 scripts. They're all really similar. They all set the pen color to red, repeat 12 times, set the pen size to 5, they draw a line, a square, or a petal, then they change the color by 15 and turn 30 degrees. Notice that 30 degrees times 12 is 360 degrees, so they turn a total of 360 degrees. Watch what A draws. And then B draws this. And then C draws this. Now let me show you what the script under define, draw a line looks like. And the same for draw a square and draw a petal. Okay, so these first scripts weren't too bad to understand. Now we can look at what happens in each of the new blocks we made. To draw a line, we just put the pen down, move 100 steps, and then move back 100 steps. That's not too bad. In draw a square, we just put the pen down, repeat 4 times, move 100 steps, and turn right 90 degrees. When we draw a petal, we put the pen down, we repeat 40 times. Each time we move 3 steps and change the pen size by 1, so it gets bigger and bigger. Then we pick the pen up and move negative 120 steps, because we moved out 120 steps, because 40 times 3 is 120. Let's look at what the scripts A, B, and C would have looked like without these blocks. On the top I have scripts that start when the 0 key, 1 key, and 2 key are pressed. I'll call those scripts 0, 1, and 2. They do exactly the same scripts as these scripts I've been calling A, B, and C, but they're a lot harder to understand. And it's a lot easier to see how similar A, B, and C are than to see how similar 0, 1, and 2 are. So we can do a lot of the same things when we use these blocks, but we make the code easier to understand.